Get excited about the 2015 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 45,000 miles. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.